D. I say welcome to the Triple D. I say welcome to the Triple D. Talk about my city, but it's me. Yeah, welcome to the Triple D. Talk about my city, but it's me. Yeah, welcome to the Triple D. I say welcome.
Hey yo, 44 gang, man, what's happening, man? It's your boy, him at like 44. I'm back with another video. Y'all see the Camaro over there? Hey, but anyway, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every single time we post, man. You won't miss none of this good content that's going up. What we doing today, man? Let me get out the sun. Y'all know, if y'all familiar with my other video, if y'all hadn't watched it, go back and watch the video where I said we put this SRT bump on the Scat pack. We picking up the car today. We picking up the car. So anybody new to the channel, it's not my car. This is my car right here. If you're new to the channel, this is me right here. Y'all check out, her name is Sheba, y'all. That's her name. When y'all mention her, make sure you mention Sheba. But that's my baby right there. We picking up my boy car, Scat Pack Black. Make sure y'all follow him on IG. Scat Pack _Black. So he hadn't seen the car. Of course, I'm gonna see the car before he do, but I want to get his reaction on it. So I told him, I went and picked him up, brought him up here, pick his car up. We over here at, let me show y'all the sign. Then I'm gonna show y'all his car, the dude that do the raps. I'm gonna show y'all his car. But this is where we at. We at A to Z Raps and Graphics, www.dallasraps.com, man. Y'all make sure y'all go holler at him. This dude do crazy work. If y'all familiar with Scat Pack Black car, he did the previous rap that was on there, which is still somewhat gonna be on there. But the good thing about this, he do his own ideas. Like my boy Scat Pack, well, I don't call him that. His name Rod. My boy Rod, man, he didn't know what dude was doing in his car. He still don't know what he did to it. He just told him to hook it up. Same thing he did with the first one. The first rap, he told him to hook it up. I just noticed the GTR sitting right here in my face. But he just told him to hook it up. So we're gonna see what he did. He's supposed to be done by 7 o'clock. We gotta go to a meet, man. I don't know if we're gonna make it, but hopefully he done with the car. But I'm finna show y'all his GTR, then I'm gonna show y'all his car, the owner of this rap shop. Show y'all what he did to his car too. So this is the GTR right here. I think this is, I don't know if this is, I don't know. But this is GTR right here. Hey! Y'all see this GTR right here? I don't know who car this is. Somebody's car. This is his car right here. This his car. This is what he did to his. That gold. Ooh, that thing is blinging in my face. But this is his car, man. Y'all see this carbon fiber spoiler he put on her, man. That thing is hard. Look at her. Look at that. Tell me he didn't do his thing with that, man. Tell me he didn't do his thing with that. Come on now. Look at her. Look at that. That thing hard. That thing hard. Look at it. Come on now. That thing hard, man. That gold wrap on there. That's the man right there, man. That's the man right there. We're gonna go in there and holler at him in a minute. Look at her. That thing is crazy. So y'all top. What size tires are these? 315s, like 315s. Yeah, that's the top right there. That thing hard. Boom. A to Z, right there. He also did this one too. It's on the screen, but this car used to be parked here. This car used to be parked here as well, all the time. So, but he got some dope cars in there. I'm gonna go in there and show y'all some cars he doing on the inside. We're gonna look at this truck right here though, man. Look at this truck. That thing hard. Look at that lip back there. Offset something stupid, man. Look at it. How big that lip is. That's crazy. That one hard though. Get his facial expression right now. Turn this down. Turn the top. Oh. What? Bro, that mother ain't ready. They still ain't seen it though. I ain't recording. The only thing he know you was out here. Mm-hmm. He don't even know you was out here.
What did he say?
I don't know. I think he just thought I was here.
Oh, he probably didn't say anything.
Bro, that mug ain't ready. Like, that mug ain't ready, bro.
At all.
At all. That nigga stick out through the top, the sides. God damn. As y'all can see, he got behind when the power went off. He also got behind, so everybody around here got behind. So it's not ready now. So I didn't even show y'all nothing. We're gonna go to the meet, then we're gonna come back and pick the car up. Hopefully be ready tonight for y'all, but that thing gonna look good though. I seen it, y'all ain't seen it. Rod ain't seen it. That thing gonna look good though. Soon we get back, man, I'm gonna turn the camera back on so y'all his car. So y'all, he got some more nice rides in there too. I'm gonna show y'all them too. So y'all stay tuned for that. Back at you. So 44 gang, man, we are back at the wrap shop as y'all can see right there on the wall. Boy, his boy anxious, man. I've been riding him around. He mad at me. He been ready to get his car. Like I say, he don't know what the car look like. He ain't seen it or nothing, man. So we're gonna get his take on it. I hope he ain't got no music playing in here. Look. That big.
You gotta cover it up.
I'll be forgetting that dog don't bite, man. But
This looks intimidating.
but we in here, man.
I got it covered.
We in here. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. Oh, so that color right there. Hey man, so y'all some of the car he finna do. Boom. Y'all see this? I'm gonna get him on here too. V12 thing, man. Look at that. Look at that thing. That thing hard. And you got this vid in here. Man, say this dude do good work, man. I'm talking about amazing work. Amazing work. We got them bikes. But of course, I'm finna let y'all see the car. He can't see it yet. I'm gonna let y'all see it. And then when he come around and see it, we're gonna get his, I'm just gonna have the camera on his face on what it look like. Right now, this is blocking it. The car's behind that. It's behind that. So I'm finna go and walk around here. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Ooh. I'm missing. So y'all this thing. Ah. Oh look. Man. Ooh, that thing is crazy. That thing crazy. Bro, I just want y'all to know when, yeah, the lights on. I just want y'all to know, man, when we came here earlier, I didn't show y'all, but the only thing was done was this and this. He did all this, added all that in there in just a few hours. And on the top. I ain't see the top. Hey, hold up, brother. Hey, whenever they done seen it. They done seen it, so you can come on, bro. We're gonna get your man say. Hey, I'm good with all your work, man, for real. He good. Ooh, look at that. Hold up, brother. We're gonna get the camera on him. We're gonna get his tape.
That's exactly how I wanted it too.
Huh?
That's exactly
Hey, and that's what I told y'all. He didn't know what he was gonna do. Like this is him just thinking. This him just thinking of something, man.
First, and it was just too much yellow. I was like, man, I gotta break it up. So I did that, and I still thought there was too much yellow, so I put the black in the center of the hood.
That's hard.
And I did the gloss black just to contrast the satin finish on the wrap. But
That's hard.
yeah, it continues through. It seems like it was done all at once.
That's hard.
I don't know how. I was wondering how you were gonna do it.
Man, that's crazy.
Yeah, it just takes a little planning, but it's doable.
And I was telling them, man, you did this, but you did that quick too, though. Like
Yeah,
when I came,
it was
just
the hood without the black, and then the bumper wasn't even done.
Yeah, the bumper wasn't done. He did all this, the top and the other side that fast. Bro, That thing hard.
Just
Bro.
so it's different.
Man, y'all
On this
in the
side, I had-
bottom, drop down here and let me know what y'all think, man.
No, the other side I'm majority black. So it's a little bit contrast on both sides.
I think they,
Take pictures, you know, it's
and that kind of go good with the, that kind of go good with the backside, like how you left that middle part black,
Yeah.
and that's black up in the middle up there.
yeah, it's just when I
That's dope.
did the front, I was man, that's just too much yellow. I had to change it up.
Yeah.
So I threw that black in there.
Man, this the guy right here, man. Shout out everything
Yeah,
so they
man.
can do your IG, all that, man.
A to Z Raps, Instagram, Facebook at A to Z Raps. My personal Instagram is JASMAR7. That's JAYASMAR7. That's probably where I'm most active. The business stuff, I just post the finished products and everything. But I appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir. Man, y'all make sure y'all hit him up. Hit him up. He gonna get you right, as y'all can see. As y'all can see. As y'all can see, man. Come on now. Bro, bro, you got me ready now.
Huh?
I'm ready. As soon as I,
Man,
I'm ready.
I was anxious to see how that was gonna turn out because I ain't know.
Bro, that's hard.
With all the yellow.
That's hard.
Again, you guys want to see people we're doing to that Performante, right? I haven't told anybody. Nobody's really seen what we're doing to it yet, but let me give you guys a little sneak peek. This one's going chrome red, but this one we're doing we're spicing it up a bit on the side of it after you wrap it, like
Yeah.
that. So go along the side.
That's gonna be
That
hard.
should be pretty cool.
That's gonna be hard. Man, y'all make sure y'all hit him up, man. Y'all can ship your car down here to him, too. Ship it down here.
The Aventador got shipped from Austin.
See? See what I'm saying? Bro, that's hard, bro. That's hard. I like that.
Yeah, just enough yellow, just enough flags.
Mhm.
You thought you had attention before.
Man, I'm telling you. Say, that's crazy. Hit the top and everything. So when I do wrap my car, man, this is where I'm coming. Y'all know what I'm waiting on. I'm just waiting on all my pieces.
I thought it was all yellow.
It probably stands out now because the car isn't black no more.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that black is too much to clean. I might just have to worry about the color.
So what color is this? This is like considered like a gold type.
They call it a satin bitter yellow, I think. But yeah, it's like a goldish yellow.
Just put that on there.
Yeah, I don't be knowing what to tell people on that accent.
We finna pull this thing out. Uh-oh. Oh, man. You gotta boost it.
This thing's badass. I bought it from Harry Hines for $20. It's a lifesaver.
Something portable like that. I need to look into one of them.
Yeah, nice.
Battery,
Yeah, outside that light.
Where's your
That's the thing I've been having problems with right there. You see how I'm supposed to switch back to red?
Oh, yeah.
It just started doing it when they blasted my lights. Oh, that's your rims? The chromes?
Yeah, I'm gonna have the lip powder coated gloss black and the face satin black.
That thing hard, boy. Thing car so ready. That thing hard. That thing hard, man. Yes, sir, brother. That's how he don't know. I'm gonna smash that nigga though. I'm gonna have to come hard, man. I'm gonna have to come real hard. Ooh, that thing is. I'm gonna have to come real hard, brother. I'm gonna have to come real hard on you. Hey, you're gonna have to outdo this when I bring my car, brother. You have to outdo this.
Something different. I like to make every wrap different.
Yeah.
Especially if somebody kind of gives me the freedom to
Yeah.
make something unique every time.
If you make it better than mine, I'm gonna be back.
It's not.
Well, hey,
I wouldn't say
that's
better.
more money for him.
I wouldn't say better. I'd say different. It's just,
Yeah, different,
Something
yeah.
different. Completely different.
That's hard, though. Especially for you to just come up off the top of your head to do something like that.
Yeah. Sometimes I
that's
gotta
crazy.
throw it in Photoshop and just kind of mess with it a little bit to kind of
Yeah.
get an idea of the direction I want to go. But sometimes I look at a car and be like, yeah, that's what I want to do.
Yeah. Oh, let me show y'all the front. It go right with it, too. What? What, the light? Probably how you got your camera setting. That look good, man. That look good. He finna start up the GTR. Move it in. Nice one. I need to review one of these, man. I need to find one to review. I had never reviewed a GTR. I ain't never been in one. As y'all can see, that's a wrap, man. What you think about the car, brother?
I love the car.
Huh?
I'm in love all over again.
Hey, man, that thing is hard. Let y'all get one more look at that in that night light. Look, ooh, that thing is stupid. Hey, man, I'm coming next. This nigga here got me. Hey, I'm coming. It's a must now. It's a must. Huh? So, yeah, man, that is a wrap for this video. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about the car. Y'all let me know, man. I love it. That thing hard. I'm looking at it right now. I'm not even looking at the camera. It may look like I'm looking at the camera, actually looking at the car. But that thing hard, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. That thing is heavy. I like it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. But stay tuned, man. We got a lot of dope content coming. Y'all know how we get down, man. We're going to keep going and growing, keep moving and grooving, man. Y'all know what it is, but y'all know how I end all my videos. Let me get back in this light. Y'all know how I end all my videos, man. Whoa, shit. That damn dog I'm okay. Hey, I ain't see him come out of there. That dog came out the shop on me, y'all. Hey, you see me jump? Boy, he coming right at me, bro. And then when I jumped, he kind of jumped at me. I was like, I'm finna jump on top of your car. I ain't lying. That was the first thing, bro. The closest thing to me. I mean, y'all seen that big German Shepherd, man. I don't play with dogs like that. But, hey, man, y'all know how I end all my videos, man. In the meantime, in between time to the next video, holla at your boy, man. I'm out.